Okay, we're gonna go to the hair store. My favorite place. And they said that they would email that 3 days approximately before the show. And today's the show. We ain't got nothing. Is it time? She's coming. She's coming soon.
He wants to make sure that Mariah gets that real Toronto welcome. Y'all ready to turn up a little bit? Let's go.
Oh, sorry. Does this thing like bother you though? Like, do you want to put it
No,
on
it's
your
fine.
stomach?
I'm okay. We're good. They're finished. My lash tech.
Wait.
My lasher doesn't want to be in the video, but shout out to her, FSBDTO, guys. I got classic. I actually really like them though.
So I mixed C and CC curl.
C and CC curl. Okay. But
I like them, but I don't like how the inner corners are. Like, it bothers me. It's
like
giving
what?
SCD.
Oh, the inner corners.
Actually, you can't really notice them. You can more so notice it on that eye.
Well, I think they're cute. What do you guys think?
But like, yeah, other than like,
I think that's the perfectionist in you, but I like the natural look. Probably.
Like the inner corner, so I don't want to just stick it
Yeah,
to your
please.
skin. But anyway.
Yeah, I know they look good. Thank you. And guys, look what she has.
She has loyalty cards. $10 off on my 5th visit, period. This is so cute. Look, it's me, guys. Is it in focus? I'm loving my new camera. But stay tuned for the Mariah
For the what?
the concert. I'm so excited. I have to get my nails done. You guys are gonna see that soon. Because with work, I can never have my nails done. So, we're gonna do something about that because I must get my nails done.
It's the next day. Actually, it's the next day, but it's night. What time is it? Today, I didn't do any prepping per se for the concert or whatever, but tomorrow I have a nail appointment and I have to do my hair. So my hair is like, I'm gonna try and do a wash and go. And I might make that a separate video just because I have not been on this channel in a long time. And I think it's only right that I just update you guys with what I'm doing with my hair. Right now it's currently like looking a little bit hot of a mess. It's looking like a hot mess. But we're gonna fix that, and I'm wondering if I should do it tomorrow or if I should do it the day of the concert. Like, just wake up early and do a fresh, wash and go instead of like sleeping in it. I think I'm gonna do a fresh wash and go, but I have to wake up early, but it's okay. So this appointment is like 2 seconds away from me, but my GPS says I'll get there with 3 minutes to spare, so let's do this. Look. It's at 1:30. I'll be okay. But I'm so excited to get my nails done. I'm running out. So I just finished, and guys, look at them. You're so pretty. I have no purse with me. Like, this is just, I feel like a mess right now. I wanted to get like an aura, like a black and red aura nail, but one of the pieces to the airbrush machine or something was like missing, and it was like a crucial piece. So like we couldn't do that. But these are the second design that I had in mind, and she executed that. Like, look, I love them so much. Shout out to Alyssa from Let's Nailed It. Now I'm thinking I need to go to the hair store because I'm planning on doing this wash and go, and I need shampoo, and I think I need to go to the dollar store. So I just picked this up. I feel like anyone who's wearing acrylic or just long nails in general needs to have this brush, guys, because if you don't, what are you doing? Yeah, you could clean your nails differently without it, but that will make sure that your nails are clean, and it's only $1.25, okay?
Thank you.
Thanks.
Yeah. That was 9
Hi.
Hi, I'm done at the dollar store, and I just wanted to know if I should go to the hair store now or...
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. Okay, bye.
You want to call him on the way?
I just tried to call him, but he didn't answer, so I texted him.
Alright then.
Okay, bye.
Yeah, bye.
Okay, we're gonna go to the hair store. Ah! My favorite place. Hopefully I don't pick up more than I need, and I might. I think I'm gonna get the shampoo. I don't know if I should get the conditioner. I was also thinking getting an oil because my castor oil is running out. I'm wondering if I should get the big bottle down here because I have this one at home. Probably lasted me like 2-3 weeks, which this will probably last like way longer than that. Let's just get the small one for now. Good morning. So today is a concert day. It's April 2nd. It's almost 9. And I don't know, like I'm a little bit, I don't know if anxious is the word. I think it's just because I don't really know what's gonna happen. So basically, my friend and I purchased like the meet and greet package to like meet the artist Mariah the Scientist, and we haven't gotten any extra details on like what time we're supposed to be there and everything. And they said that they would email that 3 days approximately before the show, and today's the show. We ain't got nothing, so I'm wondering if we're gonna get that soon or if we're just not gonna be here today. And mind you, my girl she's a full-blown fan, so like a full-blown supporter, so like I know that will probably be really upsetting for her. I know for me, obviously I'll be upset because I mean we paid for it, but I don't know, Miss Mariah hasn't posted anything on her story, and if you know, she was sick, but like I don't know, I just feel like if I were her, I would have posted on my story, you know, saying like, hey guys, I'm feeling better now. Or maybe she just doesn't want to talk to the public, because some of y'all, like I was saying, I don't know if I said this already, some of y'all are really coming for her for being sick, as if she's faking it or something, as if she's not a human too. But yeah, I'm hopeful but not really, more so leaning towards not really with seeing her. With the package we get like a t-shirt, a photograph, like I don't know if it's a keychain or like a necklace or something like that, and early entrance into the venue, but like I don't know, I really don't know what's going on with that. But yeah, so I'm about to make my breakfast. I need to do my hair. It's gonna take me a while to do. I'm gonna film a separate video of my wash and go, my new and improved, you know, routine, my new routine with how I do my hair, and I will see you guys soon. I really gotta get ready because my hair takes forever, and then my makeup, and I'm just getting into the groove of learning how to do makeup to suit my face, and that does not take 2 seconds to do. So I washed all my brushes yesterday. My outfit is laid out. Like, this is the first day of school and in elementary days. I don't know if
I was the only child that did that, but I would literally lay my clothes out. Some people would sleep in their clothes. I don't know about that, but like I would literally lay my clothes out and be so excited to wake up. Like I don't know what I was on. It was just a kid. Like I don't know. So that's how excited I feel. This is my first concert, guys, so wish us luck. I hope everything so far is kind of rough waves, rough sailing, but it's okay. As long as I get to see my girl perform the songs that I am in love with, like everything will be all good. But I will see you guys soon. And yeah.
Where are we not at the railing?
Noise for yourselves. In the balcony. Okay. Cherry 22 is here. Let's make some noise for her. Okay. Let's try that one more time. Let's make some noise for Cherry 22. There we go. All right. Mariah the Scientist. Hold on. We have 85 in the building, Nintendo 85. 1985 in the motherfucking building, Toronto's very own. All right, y'all, make some noise for yourself one last time.
I know, we've been waiting.
His main phone number starts with 416. His back phone starts with 647. He wants to make sure that Mariah gets that real Toronto welcome. Y'all ready to turn up a little bit? Let's go.
The Scientist.